Here I am back at my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Mohammed.
Brother. Now, what part of the world did you come from?
From Libya.
Okay, now you came over here and you've been here a couple of weeks now.
Yeah.
Okay, we've been talking online for a long time, and it's been driving me nuts. I've been wanting to leap through the frigging computer to work on you. So thank you, God, for making you here. Okay,
Thank God.
So what have you experienced? And if you could share some of the stuff that you've gone through, because you've been through hell, brother.
Yeah, I have my pain hurts and my lower back hurts. Now after less than 30 adjustment, there is an improvement in my neck pain and in my lower back pain.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it took a lot of time to fix it all, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, 30 adjustments sounds like a lot, but it's been less than 2 weeks.
Yeah.
and you had other health issues, and we were doing IVs and everything else. I mean, that's the fun stuff.
Yeah. Yes.
And the neat thing is, whatever health issues you've got, we do before and after X-ray scans. I mean, everything.
To document the changes.
I'd like to see it.
Yeah.
I like to see it. Now, it took you, what we've been talking back and forth, like 4 or 5 years?
Yeah, around that, yeah.
Okay, I think I was the most frustrated doctor ever. It's true, because I know I can help you. Because I know you couldn't find good care. You got some good chiropractors over there.
Yeah, but they don't use X-ray, so it doesn't mean anything.
Yeah. I mean, it's good, and it doesn't mean that what we do is right, what others do is not right. Okay, we're like the orthodontist compared to the dentist. We're the ones that
if you can't document changes on an X-ray, then there is no changes. As simple as that.
How could you not love this guy? Okay, so it's only like 15,000 miles that you flew.
Yeah.
I know.
25, more than 25
I fly to
hours.
the clinic in Bangkok every 3 times a year, so I know.
You need a couple of adjustments to fix that.
Now, what could you tell people? Because, I mean, you waited 5 years. It's pain in the butt to get the visas and everything else to fly.
It was the effort and the money. Totally worth it.
Totally worth the effort. And what's neat is your body is built by God. It's smart.
Yeah.
It gives symptoms for a reason. And one of the things that we don't do, I don't talk about symptoms.
Yeah. Because it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It's all about stress.
It is.
Fix the stress and all the symptoms will go.
And there's only 3 stressors.
Yeah.
Physical, chemical, emotional. So if you've had back pain, neck pain, anything like that, that is not the problem. It's the alarm telling you that there's a problem underneath.
Yes.
That's going to be the sleep pattern, so your body can't regenerate, the digestion, so you can't absorb the nutrients or regenerate the tissue.
Of course.
Yeah, and then prayer and meditation, which would be everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
I know, you say of course, because there is no other way you can do it. Like we're all on a 3-legged stool: physical, chemical, emotional, stress. You address all 3, your body can regenerate.
Yes.
Okay, buddy, you rock, man. Okay, God bless you. Be like Mohammed. Take care of yourself. You were built for the world, and the world was built for you. God bless you.